Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification button so that you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comment. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Mouth in Olajumoke's speckles, but he thought he was going to clean his mouth. Only did you know that Olajumoke made it happen. She made it happen. She was not smart enough. She wasn't prepared to chop and clean mouth. She was prepared to destroy that home. She was prepared to destroy that family, that happy marriage. She was prepared to destroy it. Okay? Now, when she did that, she had the baby, and Karimo told us that after she had the baby, when she was sick, after 3 months, she was now sick, she was doing this, doing that. They took her to the hospital where when they took Karimo to the hospital, they admitted Karimo. Karimo said it was a grandma that was taking care of her. Now, when they took her to the hospital, they admitted her. Ìyá Wunmi Jumoke, this Jumoke told, she gave an excuse in that hospital that she's coming, she wants to go and change her clothes. She wants to go and bring clothes. From there, she ran away. She left a 3-month-old baby in the hospital. She left Karimo in the hospital, 3 months old. She now came back after Karimo was 16 years old. When she was 16 years old, you left a baby in the hand of a rival because Baba Jumoke, I told you that Baba Jumoke has already had his own wife. Do you understand? He has his own wife that he was prepared to marry, or that they've even married safe. He was prepared to marry that one. And Jumoke knew that a wife is there, that this man has a wife. But because he wanted to destroy that home, he had to get that pregnancy to destroy the home. Do you understand? Now, Karimo is saying it now that she needs DNA. She said she wanted to do DNA. She said she wanted to do DNA to know that the father that has been fathering her since when she was born, maybe is a real father or not. Because they knew her to be promiscuous. They knew Olajumoke to be an ashawo. Even when she left Baba Karimo still said that she used to hang around later that she used to hang around with her father to bench her father, but not taking care of her. She was not coming to the house to look after her. They used to date outside. You know that men, when always, once debe is always debe. When she left Karimo, the next thing when Karimo grew up a bit, the next thing she understand was that her mother started babbing Anita Baker and using bleaching cream. She bleached to the extent of her bleached off her clitoris. Jumoke bleached off her clicly. She bleached everything. Clicly that was supposed to be black, that was supposed to be dark, black and shine like that, how it shines. She bleached it off. She used cream to bleach off her clicly. I have the picture now. I have the picture where she bleached off her skin. Yes, I'm not joking. She bleached everything. Jumoke, she's in fact, her own Ashana in those days is grade 1. You know that this is Gen Z period. In her time, when she was doing her own Ashana was highly respected. Her own Ashana was highly respected in those days. So it is now you that will be. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Cover your face in shame. Ola Jumoke. Those people you are selling your daughter's information to, you don't know that they are making jest of you? Are you so foolish? Are you so daft to have known that those people are making jest of you? Ola Jumoke. Why are you so stupid? Ashana with the police. Yes, even Karima told us it is her money that she used in cooking. It is that she will give men money. That means I want those women that they do use their own hard-earned money to buy prick. She used to use money to buy prick. She will put money in their pocket. She will cook snail, cook different things inside pots for those men to come and eat, just to bench her, just to knock her. She can do anything for knocking. She can do anything for knocking. That's how she has been knocking everybody. She collects bribe, collects salary. She carry akpekus everywhere. She has used akpekus to destroy so many policemen. She has used akpekus to destroy so many homes. Ola Jumoke, you are now making our justice for Mohbad to be a no. How dare you? How dare you? Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ máa pin. And Karimo told us that you are a sickler. She told us that you are a sickler. See, this time around, you are going to give up the ghost. You will give up the ghost because I don't know your value on this planet Earth. What are you doing on this planet Earth? What are you doing? I want you to tell us what you are doing. That America, what are you doing there? Yes, because you have no impact. Karimo said that she'll be doing DNA. That she's not sure that her father told us that it was I've forgotten the kind of song that Karimo sang for the mother. Hey, I've forgotten I've forgotten that song that she sang, that they used to sing for her mother then. I forgot. It's Ashana song. Ashana song like that. She sang it. Karimo sang that song. Ashana song that they used to, that anywhere. Thank you so much. Anywhere she see kpekus, she go open yash. Anywhere Ola Jumoke see kpekus, anywhere she see gbola, she go open yash. Then go, in fact, they will make her to, put her hand. Ó máa kó ọwọ́ ẹ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ ògiri ni. Ó máa kó ọwọ́ sẹ́gbẹ̀ ògiri, ó máa yọ̀dí ni, yọ̀dísky ló máa ń ṣe. She always do yọ̀dísky ni. Ó máa ga ìdí sẹ́yìn ni. Ó máa ga ìdí sẹ́yìn. Ọlá Jùmọ̀kẹ́, ó dóko ju ajá. Nínú òun àti ajá, àmẹ́ tó dóko jù. Ó dóko ju ajá. Ọlá Jùmọ̀kẹ́ dóko jù. Oko tó dó, òun ló sọ di alárùn. Alárùn ni, ó ti ní àrùn lára. Gbogbo oko tó dó, ó dàyọ Ọlá Jùmọ̀kẹ́. Look at you, see the way you look. Ojú ti jàn. Gbogbo ojú ti jàn. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? Ó ti dóko, gbogbo ẹ̀ ti sẹ̀sẹ̀ lára oko olóko tó ń jágbà. Ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́. Ayé ẹ̀ ti ta. Ó ti já oko títí ẹ̀ ti pín. o bóra títí o bó clitoris bí o bó clitoris o lọ bó o mọ̀ pé cancer nìyẹn ṣá ṣé o mọ̀ pé cancer ni àbó mọ̀ ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́. Jumoke, when Mohbad was alive, you will not allow that boy to know peace. You don't allow him to know peace. You and your olórí burúkú sister. You don't allow him to know peace. You you stole everything that he has. Ó ti gba ogún tiẹ̀ kọ́mọ yẹn tó kú. Ìyá Túndé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ ti gba ogún ọmọ yẹn, ẹ ti gba ogún tiyín, ẹ ti gba portion tiyín lójú ayé ẹ ti àrókò ikú ẹ̀pà fún ọmọ yẹn, àrókò ibú. When Mohbad was alive, Jumoke and Ìyá Túndé, they shared this property. They collected this property, sending bad signal to Mohbad that very soon you are going to buy. Very soon you are going to buy. How come that you now travel some days to when your daughter killed Mohbad? How come? How come? Your daughter killed Mohbad. Àrùn ló máa pa ẹ́, ó máa kú sẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Olórí burúkú. Ṣẹ̀san. We heard it yesterday when Karimo was saying that this Seyin was penniless. That he was penniless, that he could not even give money to a lady that she's dating outside. That was the reason why she was dating Jumoke. That was the reason why she was benching his sister. He was benching his sister. How dare you, Seyin? You benched her to the extent of her getting pregnant. And she got that pregnancy. You cannot tell her to remove it. You cannot tell her to remove it. Both of you decided to deliver that child. That child called tribulation. Today, Wunmi is a tribulation in Nigeria. She's a tribulation in the whole world. You gave birth to a child that is destroying everywhere, manipulating everywhere, benching everybody, just like Jumoke. Ṣé wọ́n fi benching? Ṣé wọ́n fi okó Dido? Ṣé wọ́n fi Seyin nídìílé yín ni? Ṣé wọ́n fi okó Dido Seyin nídìílé yín ni Seyin? Kẹ máa dókó-dóbò, kẹ máa dóbò-dókó nídìílé yín Seyin. Ṣé ayé yín bàjẹ́ ni? Àti ìwọ àtàbúrò ẹ ìkan ògbé kan, ayé yín méjèèjì bàjẹ́, ayé yín rí bọ́. Ṣé wọ́n fi Seyin ni? Ṣé wọ́n fi Seyin ni? Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú yìí. Ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò ẹ̀dẹ̀ dóra yín títí ẹ̀dẹ̀ fúnra yín lóyún. Mi ríro eléèrí níláyé. Mohbad will be alive today if only this woman Jumoke and her sister were not in Mohbad's life. If only they were not in Mohbad's life. They ruined Mohbad while he was alive. Even at death, they are still ruining his life. You guys thought that you want to sit on Mohbad's property. You want to sit on what belongs to Mohbad. Wọn ò tí ì bí bàbá ńlá kú, bàbá yín wọn ò tí ì bí kú. Wọn ò tí ì bí yín kú. Wọn ò tí ì bí yín kú. You thought you can destroy this justice for Mohbad. Ẹ tí pé. We said we need DNA. Ẹ ń sá eré kàtàkàtà, ẹ ń sá eré kìtìkìtì. Ẹ fẹ́ kárí DNA yẹn ṣe, orí yín ti burú. That DNA we will do it. Abọ́sẹ̀dé bọ́ síbí báyìí. Abosede, come over here. Ìwọ dà. Abosede. Abosede. Àwa sọ wípé kó join justice for Mohbad. You said no, you will not join justice for Mohbad. You said you will not join justice for Mohbad, right? You pretend to want to join justice for Mohbad. They contributed 2 million naira for you. Not only that 2 million naira, so many people contributed money for you in this justice for Mohbad. Kí ló ṣe? You collected that money. Ogunfe White collected the money from you. Ó gba Saturday lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Ó gbé Sunday. Ó gbé Àlàmísì lé ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ó yẹ kó fi ọwọ́ bojú. You don't want justice for Mohbad. Abosede, you don't want justice for Mohbad. What are you hiding? Abosede, what are you hiding? And to those of you, ẹ̀yin atoko wa balẹ̀ jẹ́, ẹ̀yin ọmọ páńlé, ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìkòbòkòbò, ẹ má dá àwọn ọmọ ìkòbòkòbò yẹn lóhùn o. Wọ́n fún wọn lówó ni o. Wọ́n fún àwọn ọmọ ìkòbòkòbò yẹn lówó ni o. Wípé kán wá máa bú mi, kán máa bú everybody. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn fún manipulation. Ẹ̀rí tán tẹnumọ́ làgàtà, 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 làgàtà. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Ẹ máa kúrò lórí platform wọn. Wọ́n fún wọn lówó ni o. Wọ́n fún wọn lówó ni. PS ló ń ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn. Iṣẹ́ PS ni. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn o. Ẹ kúrò lórí page wọn. Ẹ má jọ fún yín ní headache. Ṣé ẹ ti rí àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò yẹn? Ṣé ẹ rí pé wọ́n dìídì lọ ṣa àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò yẹn wá? Wọ́n dìídì lọ ṣa àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò yẹn wá. Ṣó ti yé yín? Wọ́n ti lo Yorùbá títí. Wọn ò rí ṣe. Wọ́n wá lọ gbé olórí burúkú jẹ́fọ̀ ìmọ̀lẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ gbé olórí burúkú ọmọ yẹn. Ọmọ plumber, ọmọ burúkú ọmọ òṣì yẹn. Ọmọ tí ò mọ anything. Wọ́n wá lọ gbé wá kó wá máa bú wa. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Ẹ ṣe kí ni? Ẹ gbójú ń bẹ̀. Kò sọ́nà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ gbé ojú ń bẹ̀. Ẹ má kàǹtọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Wọ́n gbé wọn iṣẹ́ owó wọn. Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n wà o. Gbogbo wọn yẹn àti tó ló ń jẹ́ Precious. Ṣé Precious ló ń jẹ́ àbí Nature ó ló ń jẹ́ Nature. Nàìjíríà ebi ń pa wọ́n o. Ebi ń pa wọ́n o. Iṣẹ́ owó wọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe o. Iṣẹ́ owó wọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe o. Làgàtà ẹ máa host o. We need more people to be coming live. We need more people come our live. Ẹ máa ṣe live. Ṣe rí live tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn. And don't talk about them. Don't talk about them. Ìwọ ni wíìgì na wíìgì o. Gbogbo wọn tí wọ́n kórìjà ọmọ òṣì. Àwọn pàǹtí ẹ̀wà. Don't talk about them. Ẹ máa ṣe analysis tiyín. Do your analysis. Do everything you want to do. Ẹ gbé ojú yín kúrò ńbẹ̀. Don't just talk about them. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ PS ni. PS is still working. PS ó yìí ń ṣiṣẹ́. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ó ń recruit. Owó tí wọ́n gbé fún ò tí ì tán. The money given to PS to be distributing on TikTok to destroy justice is still very much available with him. Okay, so he's recruiting every day. Okay? Just listen to their what's it called? To whatever they are saying. Listen to it. You will see that they are defending. In fact, now they've come out boldly to be defending Wunmi. They are out boldly now, defending Wunmi back to back. Okay? So, You don't need to waste your time staying there. You don't need to waste your time commenting. Don't comment. Leave there. They are Wunmi defenders. Ebi ń pa wọ́n ní Nigeria. Yes, they are hungry. They are hungry in the Arab countries where they stay. Those girls, they work for their money. Forget. Aries is collecting money. Aries is collecting money. I'm telling you. She is collecting money. She said it. She said she collected 500,000. She said it. She said it. I overheard it. Demi, the thief guy is collecting money. Aristocrats ń gba owó gbogbo wọn. Every one of them, they are collecting money. Èyí tí ò bá gba owó lọ, èyí tí ò bá gba owó nínú wọn, ó ń ṣe follow ló ṣe lọ́bẹ̀. Ó ń ṣe follow lọ́bẹ̀ ni. Follow ló ṣe lọ́bẹ̀. Èyí tí ò bá ti gba owó nínú wọn. Ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn olórí burúkú àwọn pàǹtí àwọn kòbòkòbò yẹn? Ṣé rí àwọn kòbòkòbò àwọn boys yẹn? Ebi ló pa wọ́n débẹ̀. They will have to, they want to eat. They want to belong. They want to belong. Gbogbo wọn, they have started, in fact, with their full chest, they are defending Wunmi. Just leave there. Leave there. They are hungry, according to Wunmi. Wunmi said, oh, hungry. They are hungry. Let's just leave them alone, okay? You don't need to contribute. Leave them. Gbogbo wọn, ìyà máa jẹ wọ́n. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ PS nìyẹn. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ PS nìyẹn. PS ni ó yìn fún wọn lówó. Nẹ́yìn. So when you see them abusing lagata or manipulating àwọn olórí burúkú ọ̀rọ̀, stupid words, kíní kan yẹn, iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ PS ni. You see them abusing anybody that they see that PS knows what he's doing, okay? PS knows what he's doing. Àwọn kiki people tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ gan yẹn, lagata ó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀. Nemoli, they are coming for her. Why? Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ dínà. And when they are coming for me, Emma, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Any one of them coming for me. Anyone among them that want to reply, I will reply them. And if I feel I don't need to reply them, I will leave them. I will let them go. I will leave them. Èmi máa ignore wọn. They don't want my attention. Yes, they don't want it. All those village headmasters, the thief guy, all those village headmasters among them, just leave them alone. Leave them alone. Títí wa ni pé ká máa ṣe, let's do our own analysis. Because the DNA is still there. Somebody asked me, they said, what's the update about the DNA? We've not heard anything about the DNA. Okay, we've not heard anything. If there's any updates, you are going to be hearing it. Everybody will be talking about it. But till now, wọ́n ti gbọ́ any updates. You understand? But just know that the DNA is safe. Okay? Somebody was, talking on Mr. Latif's platform. They brought a woman up. She was like, she was like, me, I'm about the DNA. I'm afraid right now because and they said they want to do it in only one place. They are supposed to do it in two places. Hello, ibi méjì náà ti máa ṣe DNA. Ibi méjì náà ti máa ṣe DNA. The first one, they will do it in a reputable hospital. A reputable hospital. that cannot trade their name. They cannot trade what they stand for with all those bags of money tó ń gbé káàkiri. They cannot. A reputable hospital. But the second hospital is not disclosed. The second hospital is not disclosed. Ibi méjì náà ti máa ṣe. Do you understand? So that is just the only update tó wà níta. Ṣé ti understand? But be rest assured. Ẹ fi gbogbo wọn lẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa gbogbo stipulations oríṣiríṣi gbogbo manipulation. Leave them. Pierce is at work. Kò tí ì jáwọ́. Ó ṣì wà. Ṣó ti yé yín? Kò jáwọ́. Ó ń try àti short everybody. Kó short wọn dá. He doesn't want voice on justice for Mohbad again. Do you understand? He doesn't want voice again. Ó fẹ́ kí everything die down. Ló ṣe ń recruit wọn síbi táwọn yẹn wà. Ibi táwọn pàǹtẹ́wà wà yẹn. Ibi táwọn moles, they are moles. Those ones are moles. Moles ni wọ́n. Do you understand? Pierce is trying to shut people up. He doesn't want voice. He doesn't want people to voice out. He doesn't want people to talk about justice for Mohbad. He will not tell you to shut up. He will give you money. He will not tell you to keep quiet. But indirectly, he will tell you, he will be doing something, or, he will be doing something that will, indirectly telling you that you should not talk. In fact, you will not talk. Shebi, people that has been talking on justice for Mohbad, shebi you see them. Shebi you see the way they are fooling themselves. All of them are fooling themselves. Ebi ò pa wá, yes, you are not hungry. Lagata, ẹ ṣí live yín. Come on live. Tí ìbí bàbá ńlá kó bá bẹ́ anybody dá. Ìyá Mohbad, Ashana ìyá Mohbad, ìwọ ló ní ọwọ́ síkú ọmọ ẹ. O ò fẹ́ kí ọmọ ẹ ní justice. You don't want Mohbad to get justice. Forget all those moles. Forget them. Forget àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò. Àwọn ọmọ àtọ̀rìnwá, àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò. Yes, I said it. Àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò, àwọn ọmọ olórí burúkú. Àwọn ọmọ dágbọ́nà, àwọn ọmọ kòbòkòbò yẹn. Tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọn lè ṣe ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn yẹn. Tí wọn lè ṣe níbẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n lọ recruit wọn wá. Ẹ rí i pé wọ́n yìí máa pọ̀ sí. Wọ́n sì máa pọ̀ sí. Ebi ń pa wọ́n ní Nàìjíríà. That was the reason why they make Nigeria hell on earth for them, so that they can be using them. These are the set of people that all these politicians they use during the election period. They will make the country unbearable, unlivable for the masses. They will now call some people. They will call them like groups. They will call them. They will cajole them. They will give them small thing to be following them. That was what PS did in this justice for Mohbad. Because they were hungry. Ebi ń pa wọ́n. Ebi ń pa wọ́n. Do you understand? That's why you see most of them that collected money. All of them, most of them, they are in Nigeria. Like all those Aries, Mama that was cajoling people. I have house in Dubai. I built house in America. I built house in Paris. I built house here. I built house there. Just to cajole, to make it look as if she's rich. that she cannot collect money from peers, that she cannot collect money from Baba Baby that gave peers money to be distributing on social media. Baba Baby ló fún ẹ lówó now. That Baba Baby I don't know, but mo mọ̀ pé Baba Baby ló fún ẹ lówó to hinder justice. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Baba Baby ló fún ẹ lówó. But that Baba Baby, I don't know. But I know that there is one Baba Baby somewhere that gave you money. Tó ń pín kiri. Because chair tó ń jókòó sí, chair àwọn kinní ni. Thank you so much. Chair tí wọ́n kó síta, chair tó ń fẹ́ lọ dànù. Even that chair, you cannot see it in Caritas. You cannot see such chair in Caritas. You cannot see it. You can only see that chair outside. Maybe that chair they've put it in the Keller. Kí ló wá ń pè ẹ̀yin America? Kí ló ń pè Keller lọ́dọ̀ yín ná? Ẹ̀yin ti UK, kí ló in the store? Let me say store. Thank you Ọláyínká, ẹ ṣé gan. In the store, kí ló máa ń pè store lọ́dọ̀ yín ibi tá máa ń kó nǹkan sí? Can beige. Okay. Ẹ ṣé. Thank you Ọláyínká, thank you so much. No charity shop. You cannot see that pear's chair in charity shop. Oh, where will you see that? You cannot see it. Thank you so much, Lagata Eshe Ọláyínká, thank you so much. I said in your house, in your house, you have to have somewhere. We call it Keller. Thank you Ọláyínká Eshe. We call it Keller here in Deutschland, okay? But in America, in UK, I don't know what they call it. Maybe they call it store, abi garage. Okay, garage. Olori Ebini said, thank you so much, everybody. Dandoski, thank you so much. Dandoski, Goodwill stores. No, kò ń ṣe store. Storage, storage. Just like pé máa ń gbọ́ storage. Ẹ ṣé gan Olori Ebini, thank you so much. Storage. That type of chair, you can only see it in the storage. Maybe the chair that has spoiled in your house. Maybe láti lọ gbé síta. Maybe time tó máa ń gbé nǹkan síta kò tí tó time yẹn ẹ wá gbé kúrò nílé lọ gbé sínú store. You know that if it takes more time in the store, ó tún máa peel more and more. Skip kẹ̀. Okay, ọmọ ẹ̀mí tún ní skip ni. Okay, thank you so much Olori Ebini, ẹ ṣé gan. Do you understand? That chair, you cannot see it in any charity shop wo ni? Charity shop wo ni? No charity shop. Chair tó máa ń gbé síta tó ti máa peel. And àwọn wo ló dẹ̀ máa ń lo irú chair yẹn? Àwọn kinní ni. Àwọn àràbò tó bá poor. All those poor Arabos. All those poor people. Basement. Okay, basement. Until mo máa ń gbọ́ basement náà. All those poor people, those are the ones. So you cannot even see it in any charity shop. No. Nǹkan tó bá máa wà ní charity shop, àìṣe é rí, àìṣe é lò. But ìyẹn, ó ti bàjẹ́ kọjá repair. So how can that one now be giving one person 2.5 million? Do you know what is 2.5 million? Yes. Be almost 1,000 kìíní kan, be 1,000 something in pounds, 1,000 plus in pounds. And you are there, ó sì ń san gbèsè wà fún tó ń san ní UK. Gbèsè wà fún tó ń san ní UK. Bó ni wọ́n ti rí owó tó ń pín kiri, ó wá ń ra àwọn èèyàn, ó ń ra conscience wọn, ó ń ra conscience 1.3 $1.3, 1.5 euros. Yes, Ebony babe, yes. Can you imagine? And it's only that I don't want to show it. I have everything here. Ẹ rí i pé àkáǹtì ẹ̀ gan wọ red. Àkáǹtì ó wọ red. Ẹ róye tó ń san every month. So what are you telling me? Ó wá ní iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe? And tó bá wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ ńkọ́? Somebody that is doing business, won't you be funding your business? Even Dangote will be putting money in his business. He will be putting money in his business. It's not that Dangote will not be doing all those kinikakiri. No. No. He will not be buying people's conscience. Ìwọ, Abosede, return that 2 million naira you collected. Return the 2 million naira you collected, Abosede. Return it. That 2 million naira you collected, you return it. Ogunfe White. You are the one reaping Iya Mohbad. You are the one reaping her. You are the one reaping her. Ogunfe White, o lè ní Abosede gan, o lè bàrà o. Abosede bàrà o lè ní. You don't want justice for Mohbad. You don't want Mohbad to get justice. You don't want Mohbad to get justice. Kini, what has Mohbad done to you? Adefemi Osenshe, God, thank you so much. What has he done to you? Abosede, what has Mohbad done to you? Kí ló ṣe fún ẹ gan-an? Kí ló gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ? Ó fẹ́ fi ògo Mohbad, ó fẹ́ fi tọ́ àdúrà, ó tún fẹ́ fi tọ́ ọmọ babaláwo méjì tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Ó fẹ́ fi tọ́ ọmọ babaláwo méjì tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Ó lè rí ṣe sẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé o ti rí? Ògo Mohbad tó rò pé ó fẹ́ gbé fún àdúrà, ṣórí pa àgbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. We collected it from you. We hijacked it. Ibo, you cannot. Àdúrà does not want justice for Mohbad, and he wanted to steal his glory. You dare not. We collected it from Àdúrà. He cannot. He dare not go there. Mohbad has taken his glory with him. He has taken his glory. He has taken his talent. Nobody, none of you, not even Àdúrà can go near it. Not even Àdúrà can go near it. He has taken his talent with him because you guys killed him. Wunmi killed Mohbad. Wunmi pa Mohbad. Wunmi killed Mohbad. Orí gbogbo yín bàjẹ́. Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Mo ní Wunmi pa Mohbad. Wunmi pa Mohbad. Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Wunmi killed him. Abori yín burú. Mo ní Wunmi killed Mohbad. Yes. Wunmi, ò ní jèrè Wunmi. Ìyá ẹ̀ máa sin ẹ́, wá rí. Ọmọ tó gbé dání ò ní jèrè ẹ̀. Ṣó sọ pé olórí burúkú ni ẹni? Ṣó Jumoke wàá kú very soon because ó tẹ̀ tí ní attack. A máa gbé ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ gbóná. A máa make sure wípé wọ́n gbé ẹ lọ sí hospital. A máa make sure wípé ìwọ gangan ó lọ rest in peace sí hospital. Òkú ẹ̀ wọ́n máa sun òkú ẹ̀ ní Amẹ́ríkà tó wà yẹn. Ṣó sọ pé olórí burúkú ni ẹni, owó tó jiyàn, you will not enjoy it. That's when Mohbad assets, that Mohbad's money that you stole, you will not enjoy it. Kò possible. Ilẹ̀ yẹn, you will not enjoy it. You will not enjoy it. Ṣó ti yẹ? Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Wunmi killed Mohbad. Nigerian police, what have you been looking? Kí lẹ̀ ń wò? I said Wunmi killed Mohbad. Orí yín ti bàjẹ́, orí yín ti burú, ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀ ní jèrè. Nigerian police ẹ̀ ní jèrè ara yín, gbogbo ọmọ yín lẹ máa sinsẹ̀. Torí pé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Wunmi killed Mohbad, and you refuse to arrest Wunmi. You refuse to do anything to her. Gbogbo yín lẹ máa sin ọmọ yín. Mass burial fún ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá yẹn. Mass burial fún yín. Mass burial fún yín. Evidence kill you there, Ọmọláyọ̀. Òkúkú evidence. Evidence kill you there. Òkúkú evidence. Go to the grave. Go and ask Mohbad. Mohbad is the evidence. Go and meet Mohbad in the morgue. Go and ask Mohbad, Ọmọláyọ̀. Go and ask Mohbad. Okay? Go and ask Mohbad. Ọmọláyọ̀. Go and ask Mohbad. Wùmí killed Mohbad. Wùmí pa Mohbad. Wùmí ló pa Mohbad. Wùmí ló pa Mohbad. Wùmí ló gbé Mohbad sí. Ẹ má ṣojú ẹ o. Don't open the casket. Ikú pa ẹ́ Wùmí. Ikú pa ẹ́. Ọmọláyọ̀, ikú pa ẹ́. Wàá ṣègbé. Ọmọláyọ̀, ìwọ ló kù tó máa kú. Ọmọláyọ̀, ìwọ ló kù tó máa kú. Evidence kill you there. Evidence kill you there. Wùmí ló pa Mohbad. Wùmí kill Mohbad. No going back. Wùmí kill Mohbad. Wùmí stab Mohbad. And the nurse had to stitch Mohbad at the back of his head. Ikú pa yín Ọmọláyọ̀, ikú oró ni wàá kú. Ẹ ní jèrè. Wùmí ló pa Mohbad with the help of Ìyá Mohbad. With the help of Ìyá Mohbad. With the help of Ìyá Mohbad. You want to transfer the glory of Mohbad to Àdúrà. It is not possible. You want to transfer the glory of Mohbad to Àdúrà. It is not possible. Wùmí, ìwọ ló pa Mohbad. Ìwọ àti Ìyá Mohbad, ẹ lọ fi Mohbad dájọ́. Iná máa jó yín. Iná máa jó yín nínú àjọ yín yẹn. Iná máa jó yín. Àjẹ́ ni ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. You and Ìyá Mohbad. Wùmí and Mohbad, they are witches. They are witches. Àjẹ́ alákìsà, àjẹ́ olóòórùn, àjẹ́ ṣóṣó. Oni Wùmí àti Ìyá Mohbad, wọ́n jọ pa Mohbad ni. Wọ́n jọ dáwọ́ pọ̀ pa Mohbad ni. Ẹ ní jèrè. Abọ́sẹ̀dé, ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ kì í ṣe rere nílé yín. Ìwé ẹ kì í kà nílé yín, ìdílé yín ẹ kì í kàwé. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa ń ṣe nídìílé yín. Owó kékeré tán ti jù sí ẹ báyìí. Wo bó ṣe ń rẹ́rìn, wo bó ṣe ń rẹ́rìn. Wo bó ṣe ń ṣe. Wo bó ṣe ń ṣe. Tó pé tí àwọn 419 òun ni wọ́n rà fún ẹ. Tí àwọn 419, ẹ mọ àwọn 419 tán máa ń pa owó dà, tán máa ń ṣe àlùpàídà owó yẹn, tán máa sọ pé àwọn kówó sínú pálí, tán máa sọ pé àwọn kówó sínú pálí. Irú àwọn chair tán máa ń lò nìyẹn. Irú àwọn chair tán máa ń lò nìyẹn. Tí wọ́n bá tọ́ Mohbad, ṣé owó kékeré bá máa jọ ẹ́ lójú tó bá tọ́ Mohbad? Ìyá Wùmí àjẹ́ àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta náà dáwọ́ jọ pa Mohbad. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta náà pawọ́pọ̀ pa Mohbad. Okó nìkan ni wọ́n mọ̀ dó, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Tóyìn tọmọ rí. Ìyá Mohbad ó dóko ju ajá. Òun àti Ìyá Wùmí, àwọn àtìṣẹ́rẹ́ àwọn méjèèjì yẹn. Nínú àwọn méjèèjì àti ajá, àmì tó dóko jù. Nínú àwọn méjèèjì, mi ò mọ bọ́n ṣe escape oko bọ̀bọ̀ Guinea yẹn. Bọ̀bọ̀ Guinea yẹn, bọ̀bọ̀ Guinea tó ń dógidógi, mi ò mọ bọ́n ṣe escape oko bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. I don't know how they escape that boy's cucumber. Maybe because they did not see him. Assuming they saw that guy, they are going to make sure they taste out of the national cake of that guy. Aláyé bàjẹ́, olóṣò lórí burúkú. Abọ́sẹ̀dé. All these things that Abọ́sẹ̀dé collected now, don't worry, she will go and invite. Do you think that Babalawo will not come and be knocking her in her house? Do you think like that? He would have been coming to knock her, because Abọ́sẹ̀dé cannot do in a day without knocking. She cannot do in a day. That Babalawo would have been coming to her to knock her. That one will say, I want to come and see my children. I want to come and see my children. She would have started knocking like that. She would have started knocking. Ó ṣọrùn jíjìn, ó ṣojú, ó ṣẹ̀kẹ́ papọ̀, ó ṣèdí pẹlẹbẹ, ó ṣọwọ́ tán sí. Olóṣò lórí burúkú. a máa ṣẹnu bí ẹnu arúgbó. How old are you tó ti darúgbó? Ó ti darúgbó kalẹ̀, ojú ìyá ẹ̀ gan ṣì yànjú jojú ẹ̀ lọ. Karimo gan sọ, Karimo King White á ti máa dówèrè. Ayé yín bàjẹ́. Ìwọ àti ìyá Wùmí, ìwọ àti ìyá Wùmí tíyín ti ta. One night stand òun ni wọ́n fi ń dòyà Wùmí. One night stand òun ni ìyá Wùmí tó fi lóyún Karimo. One night stand òun ni ìyá Wùmí Jumoke tó fi ní oyún Karimo. One night stand. You know I told you that Baba Karimo has gotten his own wife already. He has gotten his own wife that he wanted to marry already. Even that one has been learning work with her mother-in-law. She has been learning how to sell clothes with her mother-in-law. Before you know it, Olóbò Jèrèpè ó ti gbé òbò ẹ̀ wá. She has brought her pekus to come and knack Baba Karimo. Baba Karimo that has his own wife, she knows that Baba Karimo has his own wife, but she insisted in getting pregnant to destroy that home. Baba Karimo only carried her for one night stand. He only carried her for one night stand, chop and clean mouth. Maybe when the wife was not there, when the wife was in the shop, Baba Karimo said, let me quickly do this one. One night stand.